Welcome back, guys, to another video. And in this video, I'm going to break down how I made $7,000+ trading today. And you guys, I'm going to show you like the exact trades I was in while I was in them before they hit TP, before I go into the lesson. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Colt Mosdef. I've been trading for the past 10 years, and I made this YouTube channel in hopes that I can help a lot of other people that are struggling as traders or want to get involved see success in this industry. I don't hold back in any of my videos. I'm going to give you the sauce. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button for me. Every time that you guys hit that subscribe button, it gets this message out to other people. When you like the video, it shows YouTube, hey, people like this video. They're getting value. Let's push it out to more people. So when you guys do watch these videos, the least that you can do is like, subscribe, comment, just show some love, guys, because I'm doing this all out of my pocket. I have to pay for the thumbnail to get made, the video to get edited. There's a lot of things that go into it, and I'm doing it 100% free for you guys. Also, if you guys are on Instagram and you want to connect with me, I am very, very active on Instagram, so there should be something on the screen where you could shoot me a follow. Let's definitely connect. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get on my computer and let's make some freaking money. Before we start too, if you guys are looking for a one-on-one mentorship, you want to join like a good trading community, this is my trading academy right here. You could go to rorfx.com, or there should be a link in the description. There's a video explaining everything that's included. You guys can kind of go through this and see if you want. It is $5,000, but listen to this. If you guys go to buy now, every single month, I'm now doing 5 coupon codes for 50% off. So every month there's going to be a new promo code. So if you guys go right here and you type in 50, it will give you 50% off. And there's only 5 spots that are valid for that. So if you're serious, I would definitely act. If you have more questions or concerns, you can also book a call with me in the link in the description. So if you just want to go over and see, okay, what is this about, Cole? How long is the mentorship? What should I expect? I completely understand. I would want more information as well if I was paying someone $2,500. So if you guys want to join, you can either just go straight up and sign up, and obviously we're going to get on a phone call after and connect and get things set up together, but 100% up to you guys. This is the current trade that I'm in right now. I'm long on NASDAQ, and I'm actually long also on ES. ES is about to hit that TP literally any second. We'll probably see it happen live. Saw this FEG right here, took a long there, stops right below the first candle, TP at the previous highs. Absolutely perfect trade, honestly. I kind of want to see the risk reward ratio on this. There you guys have it, 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. TP's about to be hit any second. This is the power of trading, guys. It's freaking 7 a.m. almost. Took this trade a couple minutes ago. About to bank 4K on this one. Let's watch it hit TP any second. This is the thing too, guys. When I'm trading, I literally let that thing hit my TP or stop loss. I'm not closing prematurely. A lot of traders, they see this like, oh my gosh, it's moving away from my TP. Like, nah, let it do its thing. It's either going to hit your TP or your stop loss. Don't intervene with it whatsoever. Here it goes. It's going to deliver any second. There it is. 4K plus banked on ES. Still in this trade on NQ. But I just wanted to give you guys a refresher and show you guys like this trade that I'm in. I'll update you more in the video on what happens, but there actually, wow, there we go. Look at this. Absolutely insane. There you guys go. $7,000+ made in front of your eyes. And I'm going to break down in the video exactly why I took these trades and everything that went into it so you guys can understand it more. Let's get it, guys. See you in a sec. So you guys should have just watched the replay for the trades I was in for ES and NQ. Now let's actually go through and break these down exactly why I took these trades. And like I said, I'm not going to hold back, guys. I'm going to give you guys the sauce, the A1 sauce, everything that you guys need to really see success in this industry. So when it comes to trading, There's multiple variables that go into it. I think the first place that we should start is the assets. What assets am I trading? So on my watch list, I'm literally trading the S&P 500 E-mini futures. And if you guys aren't on futures yet, you need to switch. You can go to tradeovate.com and open up a brokerage account, and it links directly to TradingView, where you'll do all your trading directly off here, as you guys saw earlier. So the first thing is my assets. I focus on the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and NASDAQ. Those are the only three pairs that I trade. And I'm telling you guys, if you use the strategy that I'm going to give you and you apply it for a month and you show up every single day, you will see this setup show up consistently time and time after again. So we have our assets. Those are the three assets that we're going to be focused on. Next thing is timing. I use the 1 minute time frame. I only execute trades on the 1 minute time frame. I don't need to be on any other time frame. Like the 1 minute time frame, that is the bread and butter, guys. And I know a lot of you are probably like, oh, it's too fast paced, it's this and that. Guys, all time frames are the same except for the duration of a candle. And the thing that I realized is, yeah, I could go use my entry model on the daily time frame, but a fair value gap within itself takes 3 candles. That's 3 days. A fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame takes 3 minutes. So the 1 minute time frame is just a time frame that gives you data way quicker than it would on the 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, whatever time frame you are on that is higher. The 1 minute is where you're going to get your data quick, and you're going to be able to see, okay, what happened with my trade? What was the outcome? And that's what you guys want to get, especially if you're new. You want to be getting data as quickly as possible. You want to be able to evaluate yourself and your strategy, see what's working, what's not working, things to incorporate, things to take out. You need to be able to get data very, very quickly. So the 1 minute time frame is the time frame that I am trading on. Next, timing. I am trading, and I'm going to give you guys 3 different times. So I'm going to give you guys 3 different times to trade. The first one is from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. And this is an EST, by the way, guys. Okay. Second one is going to be from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Once again, EST. Then the last one is going to be from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST. Usually when I'm trading with my strategy, I don't like to sit in front of the markets for too long, and you guys can see this trade literally happen fairly quickly. But these are the 3 times that I have found the most success. And it's really, how long do you want to trade? 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, an hour and a half? There are other time frames too, or other ways that you can go into the market. Like another one is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And this is, once again, EST. And during this time, it's going to be less volatile during that time. So it's really up to you. When I'm trading, I like the market open 9:30 to 10 a.m. That 30-minute window of time is plenty enough. If you're looking at all 3 asset classes Monday through Friday, you're showing up waiting for this specific entry model to appear, oh my gosh, you guys are going to dominate the markets, I'm telling you right now. So these are the times that we're looking at. Next thing is you're going to get this indicator, the Lux Algo Fair Value Gap right here. Now I talk about these fair value gaps in all my videos. This is the entry model that I use. So we can see right here that we have a fair value gap. It's 1, 2, 3 candles. In that indicator, once you have it, it will automatically print the fair value gaps just like it did right here. So we have the first candle, second candle that creates the gap, then the third candle that closes it. So this indicator, all it's doing is it's literally getting a rectangle from the first candle's high to the third candle's low for a bullish fair value gap, and it's going into the future like that. Now ideally, like I said, there's 3 candles that make this fair value gap right here. Usually the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle will retrade into that rectangle like it did right here, and when it hits the top, middle, or bottom of the fair value gap, that's where you can execute a buy or a sell, depending on if it's a bearish or a bullish fair value gap. For right here, this was a bullish fair value gap. So you guys can see as I pull up my executions, boom, you guys can see I bought right here on this candle. So I waited a couple candles, came back in, bought it, sold right here at these previous highs right there. So as you guys are looking at this fair value gap, that is your entry model. You guys are going to be using it. And if you guys are new to my channel and you're like, Cole, I don't understand what this fair value gap is, what you're saying, good. It should not be like easily understandable right at first. But what I would recommend that you guys do, if you're smart, is go through my previous YouTube videos and it will show you more in depth how I trade in my exact strategy, especially with these fair value gaps. So that was the first one that I took today. A little hack with these fair value gaps. Like I said, there's 1, 2, 3 candles. Your stop loss is usually always going to be below the first candle that makes a fair value gap. So you guys can see my stop is right below this candle because that's the first candle that makes a fair value gap. So these are the times and the trade that I took for NASDAQ. Now if we go back to ES, S&P 500, you can see the setup was literally identical on ES as it was to on NQ. You guys can see the executions right here. So I bought right here. So we have the fair value gap, 1, 2, 3 candles. Look at the 4th, 5th, and 6th didn't come into the fair value gap, but the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th all did. So sometimes after the fair value gap forms, the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle is not always going to be in the fair value gap. It may take a couple more candles, but usually I don't like to see more than like 10 candles total. So from the first candle of the fair value gap to the 10th candle that may hit the fair value gap, that's like as many candles as I want to see. I don't want to see a fair value gap form and then 30 minutes later, an hour later, it goes back into it. Nah. I want to see it happen pretty freaking quick. So this was the trade that I took. Once again, fair value gap, stops below the first candle. Take profit was at this high right here. Executed to it flawlessly. And I actually, on that recording, you guys saw the trades go and deliver perfectly to that take profit to a T. So guys, that's all I wanted to go over in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.